Hey food lovers, thanks so much for tuning in to Food for Life. We're so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're whipping up something truly delicious that I think you're going to love. Let's dive right in. If you're enjoying the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below, and share it with your friends who love great food. The more, the merrier. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you'll never miss out on our future recipes and cooking tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share a delicious and healthy recipe with you, grilled chicken salad with avocado and quinoa. This meal is not only vibrant and packed with flavors, but also super nutritious. We've got lean protein, healthy fats, and all that good stuff from fresh veggies. So, whether you're looking to eat healthier or just need a fresh idea for dinner, stick around. Alright, let's get into what we need for this mouth-watering salad. For the salad, you're going to need 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, the star of the show, 1 cup cooked quinoa, a fantastic source of protein and flavor, 2 cups mixed greens. You can go with spinach, arugula, or even kale, whatever you like. 1 avocado, because who doesn't love that creamy goodness? 1 cucumber, sliced for that crunch. 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes. These little guys add a pop of color. 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced for an extra kick. 1 tablespoon olive oil. We'll use it to season and grill the chicken. And for the dressing, grab 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, adds a lovely tang, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 garlic clove, minced, yum, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Feel free to mix in any other veggies or toppings you love. The more, the merrier. Now let's get started with grilling the chicken. First things first, preheat your grill or grill pan over medium heat. While that's heating up, season your chicken breasts with a drizzle of olive oil, salt, and pepper. Don't be shy. Let it coat the chicken nicely. Once your grill is hot, toss those chicken breasts on. Grill them for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side until they are fully cooked. You want to aim for an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 75 degrees Celsius. After grilling, let your chicken rest for a few minutes before slicing it into strips. This helps keep the juices inside. We want it tender, right? While the chicken is doing its thing, let's deal with the quinoa. If you don't have any cooked, just follow the package instructions, which usually means rinsing it and boiling it in water. Once it's fluffy and cooked, let it cool a bit. Trust me, cooled quinoa works beautifully in salads. With the chicken grilling and the quinoa cooling, let's put this salad together. In a large bowl, combine your mixed greens, sliced cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and avocado. Isn't it a beautiful array of colors? Once your chicken is ready and quinoa has cooled, add those to your veggie mix. The warm chicken with the cool veggies is just perfection. Gently toss everything together. You want to keep it light so that you don't mush up the avocado too much. Now, for the dressing, in a small bowl or jar, whisk together 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and that minced garlic clove. Add salt and pepper to taste. Just give it a good mix until everything is well combined. If you like it a bit tangier, feel free to add more vinegar. It's time for the magic moment. Drizzle that delicious dressing over the salad. You want to coat everything nicely, so feel free to add it gradually and taste as you go. Give it a gentle toss to mix it all up and coat the ingredients without smashing them. You can serve this salad immediately or let it chill in the refrigerator for a while for a refreshing option. If you're feeling extra fancy, serve it alongside some crusty bread or add some nuts or seeds for crunch. And if you have any leftovers, just store them in an airtight container in the fridge. Just a quick breakdown of why this salad is such a winner. You've got lean protein from the chicken, healthy fats from the avocado and olive oil, and tons of fiber from the quinoa and all those veggies. It's a wholesome meal that will keep you feeling great. Alright folks, I hope you give this grilled chicken salad a try. It's a hit in my kitchen, and I bet it'll be a favorite in yours too. If you try it out, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more delicious healthy meals, check out the links on the screen now. I can't wait to see you next time. Bye for now.
Like and subscribe.